In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best laundry hamper in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which laundry hamper is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, WISELIFE Laundry Hamper 75L. Large capacity, the WISELIFE clothes hamper has a big 75L capacity. A collection includes 2-pack clothes hamper that can supply more capability to shop as well as arrange your products much better. Waterproof and leak-proof, the laundry container is made of cotton and also flax material that is water immune to keep products completely dry when kept, and when damp products are placed in the interfere with, the watertight cotton guarantees that there will certainly be no leaks. Freestanding, the top sides of the laundry hampers are stitched with stiff iron cable edges. When you stretch out the clothes hamper, it will depend on its very own. Also, the hamper is vacant, it also can keep upright for a long period of time. Reinforced long take care of. The laundry clothes baskets have long handles for hassle-free lugging with 1 or 2 hands to conveniently transport contents backward and forward stairways, or to a laundromat. The takes care of are enhanced with sturdy sewing for extra toughness. Here is the item number 4, Storage Maniac Section Laundry. For removable bags with water-resistant as well as very easy clean cellular lining, each laundry bag can be separately eliminated from the washing sorter by merely lifting the laundry bag up utilizing its 2 metal manages, convenient take to the laundry room. Portable laundry bags are made of eco-friendly polyester canvas with inner waterproof covered, simple to clean with a moist fabric. For rolling wheels, for sturdy casters permit the laundry sorter cart to step openly. 2 rolling wheels of the 4-bag washing sorter are lockable to make it remain still. Sturdy frame. 6 steel horizontal bars maintain the laundry hamper sorter structure a lot more secure. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the rolling washing sorter stops the bag from sagging when packed with laundry. Very easy installment created for simple usage as family and also resort essentials. This washing sorter with wheels can hold dirty clothes, or playthings or other spread things. Make your house spick and span. Maintain your lights, darks, delicates, and also linens separate from our laundry carter. Perfect for home or business usage, it is simple to assemble, and also hassle-free to make use of. Laundry bags are constructed from polyester canvas, easy to clean as well as extra toughness. Steel takes care of make it easy to raise bags out, while the mesh bottom supports full bags while they remain in the sorter. The item number 3, Caroeas Rolling Slim Laundry. Tall and rolling steel structure shaped slim and high laundry basket organizer securely. Slim shaped storage space container conveniently fits into slim space. Clothes hamper with wheels makes sure easy movement. Light and sturdy product, premium thin and also durable material applied to the textile laundry basket, very easy for collection and transport. Waterproof and dustproof waterproof PE cover add to inside environment-friendly textile maintains moisture away from square clothes hamper. A drawstring mesh cover keeps stuff inside the laundry hamper spick and span. Regarding Caroeas is created to create both unique as well as classic storage, washing, organization products using high-end high-quality products. Our totes are constantly style, practical, strong with plenty of selection to satisfy your various needs. The Caroeas laundry cart on wheels is a smart concept for sorting washing garments as well as other insignificant stuff. Your house working is simplified and also home atmosphere would certainly be significantly boosted. We use thick water-resistant Oxford textile to the moving washing cart, so you can make use of it for a lot longer time. Number 2 in our list, Lifewit 72L Laundry Hamper. Freestanding impact, merely extend the laundry hamper out. It will stand up and also maintain upright on its own for a very long time, fairly practical without installation. Ultra spacious, dimensions of clothes hamper are 15.7 by 11.8 by 23.6 inches with ability 72L, which quickly consists of 1.5 lots of laundry. It is excellent for college, dorm room, and household usage. Expanded manage. Many laundries hamper for washing demand 2 hands to lug it, while ours is not. The length of takes care of are long sufficient to lug with a single hand. In some cases, when you currently held something, you still can relocate the obstruct with the other single hand. You can additionally lug 2 hampers at one time when heading to the laundromat. Collapsible layout. Laundry container can be quickly folded up right into a piece to save room when not being used, suitable for traveling, college dormitories, campers, apartment or condos, resort use, infant nurseries, laundry room as well as shopping. Lightweight products. The clothes hamper is made from thick polyester. The indoor features PE waterproof coating to keep saved products dry. It is lightweight yet sturdy, makes it very easy to bring backward and forward stairs, washing destination, and so on. Do not use the washer and also a clothes dryer to wash the laundry hamper, the PE covering could be ruined. The top one in our list, handy laundry mesh pop-up. Wonderful for residence or travel, uses a pop-up laundry hamper, toy basket, or fold it flat for easy packaging when on the go. Durable mesh building, sturdy mesh material allows air to circulate in order to get rid of moisture and also smells. Stores apartment, spin the versatile lightweight structure on this pop-up hinder to fold it level for convenient storage. Bring easily, 2 sturdy deals make it very easy to bring this pop-up to hamper to the utility room. Great for conserving area, perfect interference with university dormitory, small apartment, traveling or anywhere area is limited. This lightweight hinder opens up conveniently to hold a complete lot of washing. It is created from mesh product. This allows air to circulate throughout the interfere with getting rid of dampness and typical laundry hamper smells. 2 durable takes care of on top of the interfere with make it very easy to carry in one hand, permitting you to lug along your detergent or various other needed things as well. No demand to identify where to keep a cumbersome laundry basket, this interferes with folds flat. The framework on this hinder is flexible, so you can fold it flat for practical storage space when it's not needed. This collapsible feature makes it particularly valuable for college dormitories, outdoor camping, traveling, studio apartments, or anywhere area is restricted. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best laundry hamper amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.